Everflow, we want to make things as easy as possible, and we want our clients to focus on growth and not focus on the daily kind of routine tasks that are just time consuming and they don't help you focus on the big picture. And so what we like to communicate is that solutions like Anura allow clients to log on, have everything connected easily, and have data brought in easily to help them make better decisions. And so it allows them to not only save time by having broad threats and everything already observed and monitored, but it allows that data to be brought in and have campaign actions taken quickly. So we definitely believe that clients are big fans of having the combination of a platform plus integrations added like Anura, because it allows to just make things in their life easier and they can focus what they do best, and that's on growth.